If you're looking for the best app to start day trading in the US, this video is for you. I show you my top 3 picks for trading stocks and crypto. Whether you're a complete beginner or already placing trades, one of these apps will fit your style. My number 1 choice is Interactive Brokers. This app is perfect if you want a professional trading platform. You can trade stocks, ETFs, options, futures, and cryptocurrencies, all from one account. What I really like is the low trading fees, fast order execution, and access to markets around the world. Next is Webull. If you are a beginner, this is one of the easiest apps to use. You get free stock trading, excellent charts, and useful market screeners. The app looks modern and it's very easy to navigate. I especially recommend Webull if you want to learn technical analysis and improve your trading skills over time. Webull focuses on commission-free trading and provides advanced trading tools in a beginner-friendly mobile experience. Finally, Robinhood. Robinhood made investing simple for millions of people. Opening an account takes just a few minutes and buying your first stock or crypto is incredibly easy. If you're completely new to trading and want the simplest experience possible, Robinhood is a great choice. As you become more experienced, you may eventually want more advanced tools, but for beginners, Robinhood is perfect. It offers access to US stocks, ETF options, and crypto through a simple mobile-first interface. So here's my recommendation: Interactive Brokers for serious traders, Webull for the best balance between simplicity and powerful tools, and Robinhood for complete beginners. Which app do you use? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple trading videos. Thank you for watching.